Hi friends, Suzanne here with the newest installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019, and now we've completed our third event. Even with all the restrictions and safety rules we had to follow, this event was a huge success. My friend and fellow demonstrator Terry from Card Designs by Terry helped me once again, where we split the work and brought together local crafters from around BC for this super popular catered first class event. If you're interested in attending the next Lake House event in June, please fill out the form on my blog, sunstampin.com, or in the description of this video. In the mini-series, I am sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some supplies are from the January to February celebration catalog, so if you're trying to recreate, you may have to substitute. Hello friends, we are creating a card using the Honeybee Home stamp set. It does come in a bundle with some really cool dies, but today we're just going to use the stamp set. This card was created by my friend Terry, who blogs at Card Designs by Terry, and we are starting off with her ink pad. This is the basic gray. We've stamped the sentiment that says stay wonderful, and then we're stamping two bees on either side, and then we're going to be stamping one in the middle too of the inside of the card, and a little bit more about bees whilst I color with my blends markers. They happen to be pale papaya here, and I just copied sort of what kind of coloring was on the designer series paper that is called Heart and Home. Anyway, a little bit more about bees. Did you know? This is like, one of those did you know moments. Napoleon had chosen bees as his, spirit animal. You'll notice if you go to, say, Paris and look around, you will find Napoleon is closely related or closely linked to the bee symbol. And I guess because the industrious habits of the bees, they symbolize hard work and diligence, and that's kind of, I guess, how Napoleon thought he was. All right, enough history lessons. Let's get to card making. I put that little basic white rectangle on it was cinnamon cider, and then it was matted with the basic gray. And then I've sort of flipped. This wasn't in Terry's design. I sort of took a little bit of liberty because I think that not many people know that the Heart and Home Designer Series paper, one side of it is bees and the other side of it is beautiful white planked wood. So if you don't have, backings for your pictures or your, that sort of thing, you can use this beautiful paper. It has many different designs of this white wood, and I gotta say it's lovely. So I myself don't necessarily like the bee stuff, but on the other side it's wood. So you might want to take a second look at that. It is in stock, and yeah, I thought you would like to know that. Okay, so there you go. I stamped another bee shape on on that inside card, and that was backed by some basic gray. Now I'm folding, I guess this would be a Z fold. I don't know. I'm really not up with the names of the cards, never have been, but it's a fun design for sure. I would consider this a fun fold. I'm adhering now the side bit for the top part of your card, the very front flap. And again, that was just designer series paper and on top of some basic gray card. And then finally we put on our focal piece. Sometimes people like to call it the art piece. And I am struggling with my Seal Plus here because it is close to the end. All right, so now we have adhered that front piece, and we're going to put on those classic matte dots in a triangle that is pleasing to my eye. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.